Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsyan has confirmed that 45 warships currently under construction in India will be delivered within the next 3 to 4 years, while the Navy has secured in-principle approval for 195 additional vessels, including submarines and fast interceptor crafts. This announcement coincided with the launch of INS Sanghamitra, India's first next-generation offshore patrol vessel, NGOPV, marking a significant milestone in the Navy's modernization drive. The Vice Chief of the Naval Staff made the statement in Kolkata during the ceremonial launch of INS Sanghamitra, the first of 4 NGOPVs being built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE Limited. He emphasized that the Navy has received acceptance of necessity for 69 ships, 6 submarines, and 120 fast interceptor crafts, underscoring the scale of India's naval expansion. This ambitious program reflects the government's commitment to strengthening maritime power and achieving self-reliance in defense production.